How to fix Windows security not opening on Windows. 1. Reset or repair Windows security. 2. Use SFC and DISM as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 3. Disable background apps via misconfig. 4. Disable and uninstall third-party security tools using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 5. Install the latest Windows updates. 6. Restart Windows Security Center service.